What grows in the sea? Not loofah. Loofah grows on my trellis. Hi, I'm Susan from In the Garden Sue, and today we're going to look at the loofah plant. So I planted this loofah early. It takes a long time for it to grow. I planted it inside. I let it grow some, and then when it came to planting it, we planted it outside. So today we're going to check it out and see how it's growing. So here's all my loofah, and it's on my trellis. These are cow panels, and it kind of looks like cucumbers, doesn't it? But in fact, it's part of the gourd family. Very interesting, huh? So as they grow and grow and grow, finally they become dry like this. And when it's time to harvest them, you shake them a little bit and you say, that sounds like seeds in there. And sure enough, there's some seeds in there. You can pick them off right then. So I went ahead and picked this, and then sure enough, if you shake them out, there's the seeds. So you can use these for next year. Then this is what we're gonna dry out, we're gonna peel, and we're gonna show you the loofah. So I'm gonna dump these out and get all the seeds out first. Look, just in that little loofah, I probably have 20 seeds. That's pretty good. So now I'm gonna start to peel it. So once it's very dry, sometimes I bring them in to my greenhouse for a couple days after I think they're dry enough out on the vine. I bring them in here, and then I'll start to peel them. There we go. I've got it all peeled off, and as you can see, there's still some seeds in it, and you can try to get those out. Then I'm going to put this in a gallon of water with 4 tablespoons of bleach, and that helps to kill all the contaminants, and also it helps to bleach it out a little bit to make it a little bit whiter. There you go.